suitable journal for your research paper. So before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notification so that you will get the information regarding upcoming videos. So let us start. If you want to publish your research article in one of the good journal like Elsewhere, Springer or UGC Care, first what you have to do, first find out if you want to publish your paper in Elsewhere, one of the reputed journal, just find out the Elsewhere journal finder in your browser. So click on first link, then here abstract you have to be prepared before going to find out the suitable journal and keywords. Okay, so first I will select this abstract, already I have written. So you have to paste this abstract here, then just click on find journal. Okay, so on the basis of your abstract, whatever the research that methods and the research that involved in your abstract, according to that you will going to get the suitable journal of molecular structure, one of the very good journal. How much it is matching? 60%. Okay, so you can go for this journal, go to this journal website and you can submit your article here. Submit your article they have given. According to the given guidelines, you can prepare your research paper and submit that research paper to this journal. Because whenever your abstract will match, maximum chances of acceptance of your research article is there. Okay, next you can see if you go for other journals, it is only 20% matching. Journal of Molecular Liquids, so here also. So this is the only one journal that is the abstract is exactly matching, so you can go for this journal. So like that you can find out the suitable journal for your research article publication from Elsewhere journal finder. Like that, Springer journal suggester is also there. You can click Springer journal finder. You will get this first link, journal suggester, it will take. Then click on here A to Z list of journal. Then here search the journals required according to your research article. Your stream is physics, so you can go for physics. Okay, you can see related journal of physics, journal of non-linear biomedical physics, like that you will get. So you can also find out the research article publication okay, journals in the Springer. So UGC Care list also you have. You can search in the browser UGC Care, and you should log into this, create account, register and create account, login into this. You will get the suitable journals for your research article. Here you have Scopus Index and Web of Science research journals. So this is the way to find out your journal for your research paper publication. Okay, I hope this is helpful, this information is helpful for you. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.